guys, welcome back, and what we're going to do now is take a look at the solution to the class exercise that was given on expansion and simplification. All right, so what we're going to do now is take a look at the first question, which said 3 times open bracket 5p minus 4 close bracket. So again, gentlemen, we have to pay attention to the signs. So this 3 here is positive. Inside the bracket, the 5p is positive and the 4 is negative. Now remember, everything inside the bracket will be multiplied by the 3. And that is what is involved in the expansion step. So we're going to go ahead and remember, when you call a term or a number, speak up the sign as well. So positive 3 times positive 5p gives us positive 15p. Then positive 3 times negative 4 gives us negative 12. Now if you look closely at this, there are no like terms present, so that means that's the end of that solution. So we're finished with question 1. Let's take a look at question 2. Now on the outside, we have 6 here as in positive 6. Inside this bracket, we have positive x and we have positive 1. So this here is going to represent one expansion process first. Okay, so that is going to involve one expansion process. Then we're going to come to here and notice that in the bracket here we have positive 5x and negative 4, but on the outside we have negative 2. So everything inside this bracket here is going to be multiplied by negative 2, while everything inside this bracket here is going to be multiplied by positive 6. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So positive 6 times positive x is positive 6x, and positive 6 times positive 1 is simply positive 6. Now we are through with this part of it. All right, so we're going to go to the second bracket now and multiply everything here by negative 2. So what we're going to have here is negative 2 times positive 5x is negative 10x. Good, are we following so far? And then negative 2 times negative 4 is simply positive 8. Now we have expanded now. Now what we need to do is always check to see if we can simplify, or else we're going to not get the full marks. So do we have like terms present? And the thing is, we do. So we have 6x here and negative 10x. So we have like terms, and we also have 6 being like to 8. Now, what we're going to do is group the like term, but what we have to ensure that we do is carry the sign with any term that we move. So I have 6x here. The like term is negative 10x, so there's a negative in front of the 10x. So I'm going to take this and move it here. So it's going to be negative 10x. And positive 6 is similar to positive 8. Now, I have 6 xylophones at home. It's a positive 6x, so that means something I have already. So I have 6 xylophones at home, but I owe 10 xylophones to someone. So the person who I owe the 10 xylophones to is now coming to the house to collect, but I only have 6 at home. So I'll have to give them the 6 and still owe them 4 xylophones. All right? It's as simple as that. So you have to ensure that you watch the signs all the time and keep focus. And of course, positive 6 plus positive 8 is positive 14. No worries, gentlemen. All right, let's move on. All right, let's take a look at question 3. Now here we have product of 2 brackets. So in one bracket we have 5m minus 5, and in the other bracket we have 2m plus 1. So we're going to now proceed with the expansion of these 2 brackets here. Now what we have to ensure is that we take it in stages. So I'm going to work with this guy here and multiply that by positive 2m. So positive 5m times positive 2m is positive 10m squared. Did anybody get that? And of course, we still have something in other bracket. So we go again, positive 5m times positive 1 gives us positive 5m. Is everybody following? Now that we don't have any more terms or numbers in this bracket, we're going to go to this guy. But remember, the negative sign belongs to the 5. So we're multiplying everything here now by negative 5. So we're going to go again. Negative 5 times positive 2m is negative 10m. And negative 5 times positive 1 is simply negative 5. Now, there's no term in this expansion here that has m squared in it. So I'm just going to write back 10m squared. And now these two terms are similar. So I have 5 mangoes at home, it's positive, so these are the amount of mangoes I have at home, but I owe someone 10 mangoes. So when I come for the 10 mangoes, I have to give them the 5 that I have and still owe them 5 mangoes. And of course, this comes back because there's no other term that is similar to that. All right, so we have to be mindful of the signs and just take your time and work the question out. All right, gentlemen? All right, what we're going to do is break, and you can look at what you did in comparison to solution, and we're going to come back with the other 3 solutions.